Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes for all of us, dear first supervisor, lecture mentor, Mr. Dr. Karumiana Dianta, AS, SIP, MA, and Mr. Diki Ranto, SA, MSA. On this occasion, I will present my proposal with the title The Influence of Economy Literacy, E-commerce, and Income Expectation on Entrepreneurial Interest in Generation Z in DKI Jakarta. But before continuing, let me introduce myself first. Introduce my name. Ismail Hina, name 1701C1810A from the study program Economic Education 2018. The main language in this presentation is introduce literature review research method. Nah, immediately from the background section, the researcher in writing this proposal was motivated by various problem, namely that currently Indonesia is experiencing many problems, including the narrowing of job opportunities. Job opportunities are small, while there are more people looking for work than there are jobs. So many people don't get jobs. As a result, the number of unemployed is increasing, which will ultimately have an impact on economic conditions in Indonesia. Unemployment is not a root cause, but rather a result of the difficulty and finding work, especially in big cities. The development of the global economy means the every process of information in making economic decisions. Some of the trends, according to the Economy Science 2020, Generation Z is often referred to by experts in most literature as a generation that has high invitation to both new business. Generation Z is believed to have great invitation for the entrepreneurship. Next, according to Vidyanita Science 2018, the majority of Generation Z today are looking for something practical to meet their daily needs. This is followed by the provision of various services that help in meeting their needs. According to Amalia and Hadi, Science 2024, entrepreneurial interest related to personal interests, desire, and willingness to become an entrepreneur and work hard to earn money to the creativity of his ideas. However, along with advance in the time and technology, education teaching is not available to children for our working life. Next, to study, according to study entrepreneurship study science 2017, entrepreneurs has an opportunity to generate a greater income than being an employee. Entrepreneurship will absorb load of contribute to improving the economy through the tax generates. Money people still think that the income generated from entrepreneurship tend to be uncertain, even though the result of entrepreneurship depend on how a person is to generate high income. Therefore, this just took the title of the influence of economic literacy, commerce, and income expectation on interest in entrepreneurship in Generation Z in the Jakarta. For research question goals study and objective. Number one, find out whether economic literacy has a positive and significant effect on interest in entrepreneurship. Number two, knowing thus the paths of the e-commerce have a positive and significant effect on interest in entrepreneurship. Number three, knowing the income expectation have a positive and significant effect on interest in entrepreneurship. Next, from the supporting theory section of economic literacy. According to SINA Science 2012, economic literacy is an individual ability to recognize and use economic concept and economic ways of thinking to improve and gain property. Therefore, e-commerce, according to Rizwan Science 2019, commerce is the new business model that involves individual and companies carrying out buying and selling activities on the internet. E-commerce can buy and sell goods or information via the internet and other online means. Therefore, income expectation. According to Eritama Science 2014, income expectation are the hope of obtaining a higher income. The higher the hope of obtaining a higher income through entrepreneurship, the more this will encourage someone to become an entrepreneur. And finally, for interest in entrepreneurship, according to Wahyuni Science 2015, entrepreneurial interest in the inner efficiency of the heart to be interested in creating a business which the organism regulates, varies, and develop the business credit. Next, we discuss the theoretical term role, the influence of economic literacy on interest in entrepreneurship. Research conducted by Linda Rahmona Julatsari and Sostasio Science 2018 state there is a simultaneous influence of economic literacy on interest in entrepreneurship for students on the Department of Economic Education, Faculty of Economic, States University of Surabaya, class of 2014, which is positive and significant. The influence of e-commerce user on interest in entrepreneurship research conducted by Kutom Science 2021 that states that e-commerce partially has a significant effect on the interest in entrepreneurship of Syria Bachelor of Management program student. This mind that the higher an individual use of e-commerce, the less influence it will have entrepreneurial interest. The influence of income expectation on entrepreneurial interest research conducted by Setiawan and Malik Science 2021 states that income expectation have a positive and significant effect on entrepreneurial interest in the community of Tumpangan Niling Hilengs and a significant value. From this framework, the author can make hypotheses, namely, how one, the influence of economic literacy has a positive and significant influence on entrepreneurial interest. How two, the influence of e-commerce users have a positive and significant influence on entrepreneurial interest. H3, the influence of income expectation has a positive and significant influence on entrepreneurial interest. Next, research method. Next research method, research time start from July, years 2024 to August years 2024. Research on the Gen Z generation, especially from the Jakarta area, research design using quantitative research data collection technique using online questionnaire or Google Form. The data collection method used as a questionnaire was measurement is on a 5-point scala. Furthermore, in writing this proposal, the population for determining the sample as the criteria of Generation G who have taken economic course in DKI Jakarta with respondent with the criteria for taking 272 samples. The population of this study is Generation Z who have taken economic course in DKI Jakarta. Let's apply using data analysis technique. The risk instrumental test is the probability test using the problem correlation technique and the reliability test using the Cronbach's alpha formula. They use the classic assumption test, which consists of normality test, multiplicity test, heterogeneity test, linearity test. Next, use multiple linear regression analysis, namely to determine the relation between economic literacy, e-commerce, income expectation, and interest in entrepreneurship, and finally use hypothesis testing, which consists of the t-test, p-test, determination analysis, and second ranks. That is for my research proposal presentation. If there are many mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you.